we continue our journey into the heart of central Turkey, the surreal and ancient landscape of Cappadocia. Here, the wind and rain have sculpted the tough rock into a vertical world of cave dwellings and hidden monastic retreats. The iconic fairy chimneys of Pasabag stand as natural monuments to millions of years of geological history. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Beneath the surface, massive underground cities once housed thousands, providing refuge through centuries of conflict. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. As the day ends, the iron-rich minerals of the Rose Valley ignite with vibrant shades of pink and crimson. From the heights of Uchisar Castle, the full majesty of this lunar landscape is revealed in every direction. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content.